Sometimes I was bullied last year, and I did not like it. I wasn't able to talk to anybody about the problems I had at school or at home. Like if you have problems at home, Let's Lead is like a second family where you're able to talk about that in the middle of class whenever you need someone to talk to. And I personally love that since sometimes I get family problems. So I actually got to talk to new people, and I'm starting to open up to more people instead of just being clenched up inside.
Let's Lead is a program which we describe as experiential and project-based, where students travel around the city. We find the best place to learn. That often goes beyond the city, depending on what we're trying to learn. For example, if we're learning about level of government, we might go to the City Hall or down to Regina and look at where government is actually taking place and learn in those settings.
It is a Cree and Michif focus within our program, but we also talk a lot about all other cultures.
I was ashamed on by other people for being Métis. So that was very good to get to know my culture a little more. Jigging has changed that, so I feel good about being Métis.
Our program is specifically targeted to students who have a level of need. That need might be financial, it might be some physical challenges that means they struggle in a regular kind of classroom. Often the financial piece is the biggest one. Our program provides all the equipment students need. They just need to bring the clothes on their back.
I've had troubles with regular classroom and learning math and stuff like that, and this year we went to a grocery store to learn math, and we budgeted, and we've done hands-on learning that's I can see it in front of me. It helped me learn math way easier than just handing out a paper, and it just took so much stress off of me. Now I want to learn it, and I want to get better and just keep on striving for the best.
I think a lot of students who come to this program maybe haven't quite found their spot or found their niche, or at times maybe haven't felt included. And sometimes that can be because they haven't had the right work given to them. We are focusing on taking our energy, and some people who have a lot of energy might need to take that energy and go do something with it. So there are a lot of students who maybe haven't quite connected with the regular classroom, who really kind of come into their full potential, and they say, oh, I am smart, I am capable, because they are learning in a different way.
Everyone is like a family to you, and if you have any problems, then we work it out. And yeah, it's a really fun classroom, and I love it.